First, get the text tool and type here. You can scale the text pressing Alt and Shift with the mouse. Now you can change font in here. Now select the text, go to Object and expand. Now make a brush. Get the ellipse tool. Now get the direct selection tool and press this anchor point and convert. And this anchor point and convert. Now get the brush and add a brush. Add brush here. Okay. Now delete this circle and get the brush tool. Now select the I make it brush. Now make a brush. Now change the stroke. Now get the pen tool and make a line. Now select two brush, go to Object and expand. Now select all, get shape builder tool, pressing Alt, delete each one. Now delete this line. Now select all, get pathfinder tool and unit. Now select text, get direct selection tool and these two anchor point and drag the mouse. Now get the ellipse tool and pressing Alt and Shift make an ellipse. Now get a copy. Now you can save the logo, file, export for screen. Now open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this mockup preview.com. Now add the logo here. You can save, file, export, quick export as PNG. Okay. Thank you for watching now. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. See you next video.